Good morning. I forgot to record when I first started to remove the engine, but I'm gonna show you how to replace the engine for bobcat 2099 to 2006 bobcat 3-cylinder 553 is the same to the S70. This is the engine D1005, but it's hard to find this kind of engine, so I'm gonna swap it for D1105. It's the same engine, just bigger cylinders. This is 23 horsepower, this is 26 horsepower. And here is how it looks like without engine. This is the pump. This is the fan cooler, access tubing or turbine. And I need to clean all this mess. It's very easy. It's 4 big bolts. Need to remove the nuts and the bolts and all the harness. And I need to take out this mount plate, this shaft, the vane, the flywheel, and this plate to hold the starter. And I need to remove this housing belt. And it's the same engine, just different horsepower. Okay, this is a 1,800 RPM, but you can raise it up a little more. Need to adjust the throttle. I need to remove this multiple, and I just noticed it right now. There's a broken multiple. That's why it smokes everywhere. The engine is still running, but very low compression. Or when the day is too cold, it takes hard to start it up. And this also has a 800 hours came from the power generator, and this has a 3,000 hours, so it's time to swap it. See, D1005, D1105, D1105, D. I need to remove this exhaust pipe, keep it this one, remove the bell housing, fan, and put it in. Okay, all parts, brackets, motor mounts, and everything, swap it from here to there, and there, go there. Ready for install the new engine. Well, not new, but we use it, but better engine. D1105, and this is D1005. Ready for install. Para el que sigue. Okay, everything is set up in the new engine. This is the old one. I removed all the brackets, motor mount, and everything. This is the new one. I clean all the shed inside, all the mess. Ready to put it in. Hook it up to the hydraulic pump. Fan, flywheel, and shaft joint started. muffler, everything is ready to go. And after to hook up the engine, put all the harness, connect all the fuel lines, the electronic pump, and we need to test it. This is with the engine out. See, you need to keep this flywheel, fan, and join and sope to here. Everything else is the same. It's like I say, this is 24 horsepower, this is 26 horsepower. Don't affect nothing, just the same engine.